Hey there, folks! Today we're going to dive into the nitty-gritty details of how to effectively use a chair floor mat to get the most out of your workspace. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that your chair floor mat is properly positioned. Place it on a clean and level surface, making sure it covers the area where your chair will be moving. Take note of any cables or obstacles on the floor and arrange them in a way that they won't get caught or tangled. Once your mat is in place, it's time to position your chair. Align the wheels of your chair with the mat, ensuring that all the wheels are on the mat surface. This will provide a smooth and stable base for your chair to roll on. Now, when using the chair on the mat, make sure to maintain good posture and ergonomics. Sit with your feet flat on the floor and your knees at a 90-degree angle. This will help prevent strain on your back and legs, keeping you comfortable and productive throughout the day. When you need to move around your workspace, take advantage of the mat's mobility benefits. Glide gently by using your feet to push off or by lightly kicking your legs. Avoid applying excessive force or making sudden movements, as this could cause the chair to slide too quickly or lose stability. Remember, the chair floor mat is designed to protect your floors, so be mindful of its purpose. Avoid dragging or sliding the chair aggressively, as this may damage the mat or the floor underneath. Instead, aim for smooth and controlled movements to maintain both the integrity of the mat and the floor. Finally, don't forget to clean and maintain your chair floor mat regularly. Depending on the material, you can either wipe it down with a damp cloth or use a vacuum cleaner to remove any dust, dirt, or debris that might have accumulated. Keeping the mat clean will ensure its longevity and maintain its functionality. I've added the link in the description box below if you want to get it. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use a chair floor mat effectively. By using these simple steps, you'll protect your floors, enjoy enhanced mobility, and create a more comfortable and efficient workspace. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on optimizing your workspace and boosting your productivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep rolling smoothly on your chair floor mat.